Hello everyone, Shalom Kulam, welcome back, and we are continuing with the 7th section of Klal 2 of Ilchot L'Surit Lashon Harah. And in this section, the Chafetz Chaim lists the 5th qualification. You're probably thinking already, how many more qualifications are there? There are 2 more qualifications. There's 7 qualifications in total. And just judging by the sheer amount of qualifications that the Chafetz Chaim lists, it shows how rare the possibility to use this license of Apit Lasa is, and furthermore, since it's a lenient opinion, according to many, and many opinions say they're not even allowed to, even if all these 7 conditions are met. It just shows that it's better not to repeat information, even though it was said in the presence of 3 people. Okay, in this 5th qualification, the Chafetz Chaim says that if Ruvain, the Lashon Harah speaker, right, the person who initially had the information, if when he was saying his Lashon Harah account, he warned his audience not to divulge the negative information, not to say it to other people, then even if Ruvain said the report in the presence of many people, even more than 3, the Apit Lasa license does not apply. And if someone ignores Ruvain's instructions and then subsequently does relate the negative report, and even if he does it only incidentally, right? So he follows the other qualifications listed in the Chafetz, listed previously in Klal 2, but since Ruvain initially said not to reveal this information, it is considered Lashon Harah. Since Ruvain cautioned his audience not to divulge the report, we cannot assume that it will automatically become public information, and therefore the whole basis of the Apit Lasa license does not apply. Furthermore, if Levi, one of the listeners to Ruvain, one of the 3 or more listeners, sees that 1 or 2 of the other listeners in the audience did not listen to Ruvain's warning, and they divulged the negative information to others, right? Then, judging by this, Levi could assume that since these 1 or 2 people relayed the information, it's going to spread, and I can also go and relate the information to other people. Chafetz Chaim says no. Even the 3rd fellow, or the 3rd fellow is Levi, cannot divulge the negative information, even b'mikre, even incidentally. And if he does do so, it's Lashon Harah. Because, the reasoning is, because the Apit Lasa license applies only when there are 3 potential listeners to the Lashon Harah. In this case, however, we must assume that aside from these 2 individuals, everyone else in the audience will listen to Ruvain and respect his statement by not repeating the information and sharing it with others. And therefore this information is not the public, and Levi may not share this information with others.